Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. On the centennial anniversary of Jamiat Ulama Islam, a large, greatest congregation of the world will be held on 7th, 8th, 9th April in Azakhil Noshehra. Besides the greatest leaders of Muslim world, Hazrat Maulana Fazlur Rahman, Imam of Haram, Sheikh Abdul Rahman Al-Sudais, Muhtamim of Darul Ulum Deoband, Abul Qasim Nomani, President Jamiat Ulama Hind, Sayyid Arshid Madani, General Secretary Jamiat Ulama Hind, Sayyid Mahmood Madani, Peer Zulfikar Naqshbandi, and Janab Maulana Talha, the respectable son of Sheikhul Hadith Hazrat Maulana Zikriya Rahmatullah Alayh, and many other world famous scholars, theologians and jurists, and leaders of international Islamic movements will participate. I invite all of you, without any distinction of race, sect or cult, all lovers of Islam, freedom and democracy, to join us in this great, momentous and auspicious Ijtima. Thank you.